So it's October 6th. We have cocoa here. My fruit isn't too big since it's potted. It's still rather a young plant, so the mature fruit will be larger than this. But hey, it's good to review to see what's the potential of this variety. So, yeah, sorry, can't even see. Okay. This is small. It's usually bigger than this, obviously. This is called tiny, but any ripe jujube, I'm gonna eat it. So the cocoa, it tastes sort of like honey jar to me. Like, it's sweet, but just not as sweet. It is sweeter than my Coco Jujube. I don't have it here, but I tasted a week ago. And comparing to that, the cocoa is sweeter. But they're round. The size of the fruit is relatively the same, the shape. So it's kind of hard to tell apart besides the different sweetness. When you talk about the crisp, they're all crisp. So honey jar, so cocoa, they're really similar in that sense. I hope next year I can do a review where they're side by side, but for now this is what we can try. So it's such a cute little tree. Okay, we'll see you next time.